Hello everyone, my name is Matthew and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to lesson 19 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today we are going to begin by translating the sentence, the dog of the boy, using the Hebrew structure we've learned before. The dog is ha-kelev, of is shel, and the boy is ha-yeled. Ha-kelev shel ha-yeled, the dog of the boy, which we can also say as the boy's dog. Hakelev shel hayeled. Now, in biblical Hebrew, the boy's dog would not be Hakelev shel hayeled, because in the Bible, the word shel is hardly ever used. The way biblical Hebrew, and in some cases modern Hebrew, show that one noun belongs to or is of another noun is by putting the first noun in something called construct form. Every noun we've seen so far in this series, with the exception of one, has been in a form called absolute form. Nouns in absolute form, like kelev, only describe what the noun is. Kelev, a dog. But when kelev, or any noun, is put in construct form, it will now mean dog of the noun which comes right after it. If we want to use the construct form to say the dog of the boy, we put the noun kelev in construct form, which is actually the same as its absolute form, kelev, and immediately follow it with the noun yeled, boy, in absolute form. Even though kelev is the same in absolute and construct form, we can tell it's in construct form here because it is immediately followed by another noun, yeled, with no conjunctions or anything in between. So far we just have kelev yeled, which means a dog of a boy. So now we have to add a ha, meaning the, to get the dog of the boy. Now, if a noun is in construct form, it will never take a ha, which means the. So we do not and cannot add ha to kelev. Instead, the noun at the end of the construct phrase will take the ha to make every word in the phrase definite. Kelev hayeled, the dog of the boy, with only one ha on the last word in Hebrew. This is similar to the English phrasing, the boy's dog, where only the word boy has the with it. Kelev hayeled, the dog of the boy. Names are also definite, so if the last noun in a construct phrase like this is a name, that whole phrase will also be definite. For example, Kelev David means the dog of David or David's dog. Kelev David does not mean a dog of David. Not every noun is like kelev, which is the exact same in absolute form and construct form. If a noun ends with kamatz hey, ah, that will change to a patak tav, at, when we put the noun in construct form. For an example, let's use the feminine version of kelev, dog, which is kalba. This noun in absolute form ends with kamatz hey, so to put it into construct form, we change that to a patak tav, at, kalbat, dog of. To translate the boy's dog, if the dog is female, we say kalbat, dog of, hayeled, the boy. Kalbat hayeled, the dog of the boy's dog. Kalbat hayeled. If a noun ends with chirek yud mim, im, that will change to a tzere yud, a, when we put the noun into construct form. Let's take the word for brothers, which is ach, brother, with a masculine plural im ending, achim, brothers. To say the brothers of the boy, we can take achim, brothers, and put it into construct form to show that they are of the boy. To do that, we change the im into a, ache, brothers of hayeled, the boy. Ache hayeled, the brothers of the boy. Ache hayeled. In modern Hebrew, to say the boy's brothers, we will usually just say ha'achim shel hayeled, the brothers of the boy, using the structure we learned before with shel. In modern Hebrew, the construct form is not used so often to translate apostrophe s. However, modern Hebrew still uses the construct form frequently, especially in certain expressions. For example, the Hebrew words for pet are chayat machmad, which is actually a construct phrase, made up of the words chaya, animal, which in construct form is chayat, with the a changed to at, and machmad, which means something like dearness. Hayat mahmad, animal of dearness. That is, a pet. Because hayat mahmad is a construct phrase, to say the pet, the place where we add the ha, meaning the, is on the last word, mahmad, never on the first word. Hayat ha-mahmad, the pet. Hayat ha-mahmad. Another thing that both Biblical Hebrew and modern Hebrew use the construct form for are specific types of things, like a particular kind of food, like a cheese sandwich or chicken soup. Cheese sandwich will be karich, sandwich in construct form, followed by gvina, cheese in absolute form, sandwich of cheese. Karich does not change its block consonant letters when in construct form, but it does change a vowel. If a vowel changes in a noun when you pluralize it, in many cases that vowel will change the same way when you put that noun in construct form. When we pluralize karich, we get karichim, sandwiches, which has the kamatz shortened to a shva. The same thing happens with karich in construct form. The kamatz becomes a shva to give us karich, sandwich of. Karich gvina, sandwich of cheese, cheese sandwich, karich gvina. To say the cheese sandwich, we add ha to the last word of the phrase. Karich ha-gvina, the cheese sandwich. Karich ha-gvina. Chicken soup in Hebrew works the same way. We put malak, soup, in construct form, which, like karich, is with that a vowel at the beginning, shortened to a shva, malak. And then we say what the soup is of. Of, chicken. Malak of. Soup of chicken, chicken soup, malak of. And to say the chicken soup, we add ha to the last word, malak ha-of, the chicken soup, malak ha-of. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.